Hello viewers, DV Zealand welcomes you to another episode of NMMS exam preparation, Scholastic Aptitude Test SAT 30-second video, Chemistry second video, Class 7 General Science, Chapter 2 Acids and Bases, Part 2. Question number 1. The base present in lime water is. Correct answer, calcium hydroxide. Question number 2. Who discovered hydrogen gas? Correct answer, Henry Cavendish. Question number 3. Which base is present in soaps? Correct answer, both B and C. Calcium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. Question number 4. Milk of magnesium contains. Correct answer, magnesium hydroxide. Question number 5. Oxides of magnesium when dissolved in water form. Correct answer, magnesium hydroxide. Question number 6. The example for chemical indicators used to test acids and bases is. Correct answer, both A and B. Methyl orange, phenolphthalein. Question number 7. When methyl orange is mixed with citric acid, that is lemon juice, it turns. Correct answer, red. Question number 8. In our state, some persons deceive the common people by performing some science tips as black magic in the name of. Correct answer, all the above. Mantralu, Chetabadi, Banamati. Question number 9. Methyl orange gives dash color with acids and dash color with bases. Correct answer, red and yellow. Question number 10. Phenolphthalein remains dash in acidic solution while it turns dash in basic solution. Correct answer, colorless and pink. Question number 11. Why are acids not stored in a metal container? Correct answer, acids react with metal and eat away them. Question number 12. Why are pickles, jams, jellies preserved in glass, porcelain and plastic containers, not in copper or brass vessels? Correct answer, not to be damaged by chemical reactions. Question number 13. To avoid reaction of copper or brass, the inner walls of these vessels are coated with. Correct answer, tin. Question number 14. Acid rains are also witnessed in Andhra Pradesh state in the district of. Correct answer, Vishakhapatnam. Question number 15. Which gas catches fire with a sound when a burning matchstick is introduced to it? Correct answer, hydrogen. Question number 16. The gas that turns lime water into milky white is. Correct answer, carbon dioxide. Question number 17. When acids and bases are mixed in equal concentrations, they give a dash solution. Correct answer, neutral. Question number 18. When an acid and a base are mixed, a chemical reaction takes place and dash is produced. Correct answer, salt. Question number 19. By neutralizing hydrochloric acid solution with caustic soda, that is sodium hydroxide solution, dash salt is formed. Correct answer, sodium chloride. Question number 20. Match the following. Correct answer, 1B, 2A, 3D, 4C. Preparation of pickles, acetic acid. Preparation of pulihora, citric acid. Removal of ink stains, oxalic acid. Manures, batteries, sulfuric acid. Question number 21. Which of the following is correctly matched? Correct answer, all the above. Food preservation, common salt. Cleaning clothes, washing soda. Cool drinks and cake, baking soda. Question number 22. Match the following. Correct answer is 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A. Cool drinks, carbonic acid. Medicine and dyes, hydrochloric acid. Explosives, nitric acid. Bleaching powder, calcium hydroxide. Question number 23. Ammonium hydroxide is used for. Correct answer, all the above. Glass cleaners, fire extinguishers, removing grease stains. Question number 24. Which of the following statement is wrong? Correct option. Tooth decay is caused by the presence of base in water. Question number 25. Red litmus paper is dipped in a solution. It remains red. What is the nature of the solution? Correct answer, either acidic or neutral. Question number 26. Ammonia is present in window cleaners. It turns red litmus blue. What is its nature? Basic. Question number 27. What is the effect of basic substances on turmeric paper? Correct answer, turmeric paper turns red. Question number 28. What happens when nitric acid is added to eggshell? Correct answer, carbon dioxide is released. Question number 29. Turmeric stains on white clothes when washed with soap turn red because. Correct answer, all the above. Soap contains a base. Turmeric reacts with soap. Turmeric is an indicator. Question number 30. When drops of lemon juice are put on blue litmus, it turns red. What will happen if you put some drops of soap solution on the same position on the litmus paper? Correct answer. The portion of the paper turns blue again. Question number 31. The sting of a wasp is basic. How can we trade the sting of a wasp? Correct answer, by applying an acid. Thank you for watching this video. Let us meet with the next lesson. Thank you.